Dog fouling. It is an offence under the Litter Pollution Act, and you will be fined and prosecuted for not picking up your dog fouling. We have over 6,000 signs in Fingal area, signs up for people to remove their dog faeces. Signs don't stop, fines do stop. If you're out and about and you see a dog fouling and somebody gets into a car, please take the registration and report it to the council. If on your estate you have a dog that is constantly fouling in the area and you have an address, please let us know. We will issue a fine to the dog owner. If you're out with your dog and you pick up your dog faeces, you can use any public bin. It doesn't have to just be a dog fouling bin. Please don't throw your dog fouling into the tree branches, as there is plenty of bins around in all areas, and any Fingal County Council public bin will take your dog faeces.
Dog fowl is dangerous for children. Please clean up after your dog.